Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LogRocket to Bubble apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect LogRocket to your Bubble app, start by logging into your LogRocket account. If you do not have an account, create one on the LogRocket website. Once logged in, create a new project by clicking on the Create Project button. Give your project a name that reflects the purpose of your Bubble app. After naming your project, LogRocket will provide you with a JavaScript snippet for integration. Copy this JavaScript snippet to your clipboard. Next, log into your Bubble account and open your desired app. Navigate to the Settings tab in the left sidebar of your Bubble editor. Select the SEO/meta tags section, where you can add your snippet. Scroll down to the script/meta tags in header section. Paste the LogRocket JavaScript snippet into that field. Ensure there are no extra spaces or line breaks before or after the snippet. After adding the snippet, scroll down and click on the Save button to ensure your changes are saved. Now, it's time to set up LogRocket to start recording sessions. Go back to your LogRocket dashboard and click on your project. In the project settings, find the section that gives you the API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Return to your Bubble app and navigate to the Workflow tab. Create a new workflow for page load or any event where you want to initialize LogRocket. Add a new action in the workflow, choosing Run JavaScript from the available options. In the JavaScript field, type in the initialization code using your copied API key. Your code should look like this: JavaScript LogRocket.init, your API key. Replace your API key with the actual API key you copied. Save the workflow and ensure all settings are properly configured. You can now test your Bubble app to confirm LogRocket is working. Open your app in a new tab and navigate through the different pages. Return to LogRocket and check the dashboard to see if your session appears. This completes the integration of LogRocket with your Bubble app. You are now set up to monitor user sessions and improve your app's performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.